बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. Thank you so much for inviting me in such a great forum, at a great forum. And I just want to say a few words because there are so many people who are waiting for their turn. And this is the whole solidarity we can show, we can express ourselves via this platform. And I'm really thankful to National Press Club to express ourselves and to communicate ourselves to our people, to our friends in Palestine and Gaza. And I think this is very important to show the solidarity at this time. The very important thing is that we are condemning, we condemn the attack on media houses in Gaza who were covering and showing the pictures of Israeli terrorism and extremism, and definitely the aggression they were showing, I mean the aggression by the Israeli armed forces and Israeli state. I think this was very important. We lost a connection, but we could not, and we did not lost the connection via social media and by our brave journalists who are, some of them are here and some of them are not here. But you are working in such a great, in such a difficult time, and you are working with heart and souls. And I must say that our hearts and souls are also with you. We stand by you. We are with you. Our people, our intellectuals, our journalists, our public, our government, our state is standing by you right now. So I think the support will continue. The suggestions which are presented by Mazhar Abbas Saab, who is a very senior journalist in Pakistan, I totally endorse all the proposals presented by him. And secondly, the public opinion, which is molded and which is naturally molded by the Zionist media in all over the world, it's not successful right now. I must say, we must appreciate the images and videos showed by the media that credit goes to the social media, which is, I mean, very active these days. And I think whether it's matter of human rights, whether it's matter of the Palestinian people's life matter, I think the campaign and social media is doing a great job. We are no more like previous times. We are no more dependent on international media, especially the Western media, which is showing one-sided opinion most of the time. I think I have only one thing which is to share here, that we should contribute on regular basis with the Palestinian journalists, and we should contribute via National Press Club or on a personal level, as I can hear Nisma and Basim, Dr. Basim, who are sharing their stories right now. We can share all these stories on our national media. We did share, I mean, as far as myself is concerned, I'm writing for BBC, and I wrote the piece previously on Palestine. I'm doing my show almost daily. We are touching Palestine in our programs, and there is a tremendous support by the people of Pakistan because of the media in Pakistan. And I think this credit goes to our parliament, our politicians, and our people definitely who are standing with the Palestinian brothers and sisters. And secondly, we can relate, and we should relate this issue of Palestine with the issue of Kashmir, which is also related. And I think that is why our father of the nation, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, he resisted and he supported Palestine just because of, not because of Kashmir, but he forced and he imposed his opinion on the people and the followers of his belief that Palestine is related to Kashmir and Pakistan, and people of Pakistan cannot surrender to the narrative which was created by our father of the nation. Secondly, the thing that was one of the suggestions that how should we contribute and how we can contribute with along with the media in Palestine. The assistance regarding this, like National Press Club is holding this great event, and I think all the people from, not all, but all the voices who matter, I think from Pakistan, they are on this platform, whether it's parliament or national media. I think we should not leave this support at any stage. And I have the experience to cover the Lebanon-Israel war in 2006 from Beirut, and I have so many stories to relate with the time we are suffering right now. I mean, the Palestinians are suffering right now, but I must say the resistance, Palestinian people and the people in that area, in whether it was Lebanon or Syria, I think that resistance is in Pakistan right now, and we should formalize it. I think we are waiting for the Friday and Sundays. People are organizing rallies, but I think right now I can claim that on every level, Pakistani people are out for the support. Whether it's financial support or it's moral support, or I can't say on the behalf of the state of Pakistan, but I think our state is also taking too much, and as long as this time is concerned, I think the acceptance of Israel is rejected by the government. That is also very, very important. I think that's the point where we can say our state is also with the people of Palestine. So I think only one suggestion, which is I can add to the proposal given by Mazhar Abbas Saab, that is the day-to-day coverage with our Palestinian colleagues working in Gaza, and we need to get updated. There could be some group on WhatsApp, or we should follow. We are following on the social media, but I think we can contribute if National Press Club wants on a WhatsApp group that regularly we can have contact numbers, and we have contact with our colleagues working over there. We could have videos and everything, so we can update our people in Pakistan who are really, they are concerned about Palestinian brothers and sisters. Thank you so much. I have a lot to speak at this moment, but I will not waste your time because we want to listen more from Gaza and people and journalists from Gaza. Again, we are with you. Our nation, our intellectuals, all are with you. In the last few seconds, I just want to read one poem written by Faiz Ahmad Faiz during the Arab-Israel war previously in 1960s. I think that nobody will understand, but I am trying to read for my Pakistani friends who can translate afterwards. پھر برق فیروزہ ہے سرے وادی سینہ, پھر رنگ پہ ہے شعلہ رخسار حقیقت, پیغام اجل دعوت دیدار حقیقت, اے دیدہ بینا اب وقت ہے دیدار کا, دم ہے کہ نہیں ہے, اب قاتل جاں چار اگر کلفت غم ہے, گلزار ارم پر تو صحرائے عدم ہے, پندار جنوں حوصلہ راہ عدم ہے کہ نہیں ہے, پھر برق فیروزہ ہے سرے وادی سینہ, اے دیدہ بینا پھر دل کو مصفا کرو اس لوح پہ شاید, مابین منو تو نیا پیمان کوئی اترے, اب رسم ستم حکمت خاصان زمیں ہے, تائید ستم مصلحت مفتی دی ہے, اب صدیوں کے اقرار اطاعت کو بدلنے لازم ہے کہ انکار کا کوئی فرمان کوئی اترے. سو میرا خیال ہے کہ یہ انکار کا فرمان اتر چکا ہے, اینڈ انکار کے اس فرمان کے ساتھ ہی آپ مجھے اجازت دیجیے. تھینک یو سو مچ فار یور پیشنس ٹو لسن ٹو می. تھینک یو سو مچ.
تھینک یو.